Let's hope he's not home. The killer might be here. I better be careful. If he's in his apartment, I'll pretend I got the wrong floor. The moment of truth. If Ann Shepard gave me the right name, the origami killer lives here. I should have informed the police. But I have no proof. Just the statement of an old woman who's lost her memory. Lost your touch, girl. The origami killer's apartment. There must be something that'll tell me where Sean Mars is. I'll go through it room by room, but there's bound to be some kind of clue. Gotta be fast. He could come back any time. That's where the smell of burning comes from. Evidence going up in smoke. A cop's uniform. Always trust a cop. That's why children went with him. He was dressed as a cop. Shelby could come back at any moment. This is where he cultivated the orchids that he left on the chest of his victims. Sean Mars! Oh, the lunatic's been watching him drown. But it's some kind of a well filling up with rain, slowly drowning him. Oh, there's not much time left. There must be something here showing where the well is. Shit, it needs a password. Got it. Max. The name John gave to his paper dogs when he was a child. What the hell is that? An address. It's gotta be where Sean Mars is. Hurry. There's no time to lose. Bingo. Come on. There still might be time to save Sean Mars.
So you found my little secret?
It's over, Scott. All those children killed just to find a father capable of saving his son?
Shut up! You don't understand.
There's one child left. There might still be time to save him. Let him go. Do what your father couldn't do.
Get in there.
I won't be able to breathe for much. If I can't get out, I'm gonna die, and there'll be no one to save Sean. Think, Matt, think. Gotta find some way to protect myself from the heat and smoke. Oh my god. The gas can right in the flames. The whole place is gonna blow up. Wet clothes will give me a better chance of surviving. Way too high. I'll kill myself if I jump. I gotta find something else. Way to shield myself from the explosion. Inside the refrigerator. It's probably tough enough. It'll resist the blast of the explosion. I know where Sean Mars is. No time to call anyone. I'm on my own. I know where Sean is. I've got to tell Ethan.